Welcome to the AI Future channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super simple yet highly effective method to create engaging videos in just 5 minutes, helping you build a YouTube channel with millions of views and earn up to $50 a day. Alright, in today's video I'm going to introduce you to one of the most underrated AI video generation tools out there right now. This tool allows you to create high-quality AI-generated videos that support both text and even image-to-video conversion. We all know that V3 has been going viral, partly thanks to a feature called Ingredients to Video. While this platform has offered that feature since last year, it has now received a major upgrade with its most advanced video model yet delivering its impressively consistent results across all video styles. And the best part? It's fast, affordable, and even offers unlimited video generation if you're on the right plan. I'm going to walk you through all the features. This tool offers especially some amazing use cases for the reference to video feature. So be sure to watch this video all the way to the end, because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to use this tool. Also, I've put together a guide on how to make money with AI. If you want it, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, "I want the full document," and my bot will send it to you. Don't forget to check out and subscribe to my AI documentary channel as well. The link is in the description. Let's get started. Now, to access this tool, just open Chrome or any browser and search for VideoAI, or better yet, click the link in the description and you'll be taken to this interface. As you can see, VideoAI gives you practically everything you need: fast, high-quality, affordable AI video generation, and unmatched 2D animation. I still don't understand why barely anyone is talking about this tool, because it's actually really good. Now, moving on, we'll talk about the features. But first, let's go over a quick summary. With this tool, you can create videos from reference images. For example, here we have a female character, a male character, and a K-canned. Now there's a video that includes all three elements. In another example, there's a boy, a cat, and a playground all combined into a single video. This is exactly what reference to video means. You can combine multiple elements, maintain multi-reference consistency, and even create your own custom reference scenes. There's also a familiar feature, turning images into videos. But this tool has a unique way of understanding prompt SI. Haven't seen this level of comprehension in any other AI video generator. It even lets you control the first and last frame. You can create anime art style videos, and the generation process is almost instant.
Ow.
Plus, there's an option for unlimited video creation, meaning you can generate as many videos as you want if you upgrade to the right plan. Now let's try out some amazing sample videos. Scroll up or click on Try Video, asterisk, as you can see. From the very first interface, you already get access to all the features, including AI sound effects, which are awesome. Here are a few videos generated with this tool. Applause music. As you can see, the video is around 3 minutes long. It's like a short 2D animation film, with audio included. Very impressive. Let's get started. Just log in with Google. I've already logged in. One of the strongest points of the new video model is the reference to video feature. Trust me, they've done it way better than before. Here's a video I just created. Only uploaded a photo of a table and a gift, and this is the result. Now let me show you how to use it. You click here and upload your image, any image you want. I've uploaded this woman and drink photo. If you plan to use it multiple times, you can save it as a reference. You can rename it here. Then just enter a prompt, something like this. If you don't want to re-upload the same image multiple times, you can go to the References section, create a new one, and add those images. But first, let's try creating a video. Choose the duration. Select the motion level aisle. Go with medium number of videos, 2. Then click Create. And in just 5 minutes, it's done. Here's the result. It's absolutely beautiful. Second video is also very stable and high quality. I can already imagine countless use cases for this in ad production. Now let's try another set of images that I think are pretty interesting. Upload the images. These are the ones I prepared. Keep the other settings as is, then click Generate. Done. Let's check the result. It did a fantastic job, very accurate with the input images. Super impressive. But you can also use this to keep the environment in your videos consistent. I downloaded this video, went back to the video creation page, removed the old image, and uploaded a new one. After uploading the image, just enter a prompt like this and hit create. Wow, just look at the result. Here's the first video. The background remained consistent. It followed my prompt, the old men in the background perfectly really good. The quality is crisp and clear. Now we can use this method to keep 2 characters consistent like this example. Make sure you select Q1, then set the number of videos to 2 and hit create. Here's how I did it. As you can see, I selected 2 images and entered the prompt to women in a living room. This is a great prompt for keeping 2 characters consistent. And here's the result. Both characters appear consistently, and the quality is still very high. In this scene, they're having a conversation. It looks supernatural. Next, let's try the text-to-video feature. Enter a prompt like, a dog running in the forest. Make sure to select Q1 mode, because this is currently the best AI video generator out there. Which is a video style. Go with this one. Number of videos. 1. Leave the rest of the settings as is, then click create. Done. Check out the result. Music, as I said, this tool handles physical motion really well. The generated video is high quality. You can even upscale to 4 cats. A fantastic new feature. And you can download the video without a watermark, which is amazing. 0 hours, 7 minutes, and 24 seconds. Let's try another prompt. Okay, I'll enter a new prompt. Hit Pro mode if you want, but I don't need it this time. Just click create. And let's see what it makes. It's done. Here's the result. Music, as you can see, because I didn't add too much detail, there's just light motion. Now let's try an animation style. Set the motion level to medium. Enter a new prompt. Turn on Pro Mode 9. This mode you can customize everything. It's very flexible. Click create. Here's the video it generated. Absolutely awesome. I created another one and look at the results. Super sharp, and it looks like real anime. Now let's try the image to video feature. Click on image to video. Load any image you want like this one. To better understand how the AI works, I won't add a prompt this time. Select medium motion, hit create, and let's see. It's done. Let's look at the result. This is what it looks like with no prompt, just light motion, and it handled it really well. Now let's add a prompt. Enter something like this. Hit create. Done. You see, the generated video aligns very well with the prompt. Don't forget to explore the reference to video feature. It's incredibly powerful.